Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. For today's video, we are working with the Cocoa Daisy collection called Willows. This is the collection available for the month of March. I do already have the unboxing and my first project using this kit. And for today, we are going to be doing 2 more projects. I narrowed it down to doing a pocket page layout because I always love these cards. And I think I'm going to stretch my creativity and make 2 cards for my second project because I love the illustrations on these cards so much. Like, look how cute the little frog is. So we're going to use like a layering moment and a layering moment for cards. I like the wood chip too. That's why I was trying to use the wood veneer and make some cards. I've started making cards, and so the kit usually comes with a 6x8 card stock, the white ones, right? Isn't there 2? Yep. Yes, and of course I want to do journaling. Of course I always want to do so much. This kit is really cute. I've been loving everything for this beginning of the year with Cocoa Daisy. And honestly, the collections have really been good. I love whoever does her illustrations because last month, if you remember, the February Penelope was that very realistic looking floral collection, which was stunning for me. I am a floral girl, so I can always appreciate a good floral collection. And then they alternate it with something like this that has like the cutesy kind of characters. I don't want to say cutesy, but you know, and I can almost, I do appreciate like the juxtaposition of having both offered, you know, for the subscribers, because it gives everybody a little something, you know, to look forward to. And I really kind of like that. So normally if you do a card this size, and I'm new to card making, I just want to use the layers. I'm wondering if of course I have all my little things. I think I might just cut down the card so that it's slightly bigger than the 3x4. Is that too tiny of a card? Of course not. Why am I saying that? All right, so this will be, I want like this, the front. You know what I always wonder too? Should I distress it? Let's see if do I have my little Ranger distressor thingamabob? Where's that thingamabob? Of course, I won't be able to find it quickly. Well, let me just use scissors. Use my daughter's scissors. So, well, obviously we're having a little real-time conversation. So, yeah. I never really make cards, but if you remember, I did do cards with the stamping press. Those turned out really good. And I always find like cards to be a smaller project, and yet I find them intimidating. Go figure. So we're going to stretch our horizons with, or at least I am, with doing some cards. Because I haven't done cards with Cocoa Daisy, right? All right, so let me start ruffling these up. So I guess we'll make the cards first, and then we'll finish off with the layout I sort of had already going down on my desk. So let's continue. Okay, so I am getting into my card making era. This was actually quite fun to do, and it takes a little bit of the stress away, at least in my experience with card making, because it's a smaller scale. I have to keep that in mind sometimes. That sometimes making the card can be even like a daily thing because it's a smaller scaled project. I don't know. I had like an epiphany with card making with these. So here we are. I just made a simple one with the frog 3x4 card, and you saw me distress both of the layers and added the chipboard piece and a wood veneer that says spring. And then the other one was the card that I like, this one with the pond scene again too, which is the theme throughout it, and I used the frog wood veneer and then a little chipboard piece underneath it. And then off camera I added some gold Heidi Swap Color Shine paint splatter to it, and they dry, and so you'll see how they came together at the end with my outro. But yeah, 2 simple cards that I have to give away, either as like a thank you note or just thinking of you something. And so I'm pretty impressed with myself. So let's get on to my pocket page layout. So with the pocket page, I always like to, remember my formula, who knows my formula? I always like a pattern paper card. So that would be the one with the pond kind of landscape that I selected. a journal card, hence the other 4x6 one, so I have plenty of room to write, and then one sentiment card. And then for the third pocket, if I needed it, or the fourth one after that formula has been checked off, I can fill it with another sentiment, another journal card, another, pattern or illustrated card, whatever I see fit. And so that's always usually my go-to formula, and then the rest of it can be with photos. And as you can see, I put a sticker, a wood veneer, is on the 4x6. I put the enamel dots, I'll put a rub on, and even on my photos, I will add stickers and wood veneer onto them as well to make sure that all of the kind of elements to my double page layout are cohesive across both sides. Once again, I think it's just a formula that works for me, and it definitely helps to, at least in my experience so far with memory keeping, A, I'm able to stay current with my stories, and B, if you can simplify that process or have a formula, once again, it helps keep you current in order not to be, like, at least in my experience, like years behind in my storytelling. So this was a recent story of me going to a plant nursery and just spending a few moments walking around, and I did end up buying that pretty plant that you saw in my hands, which was a ruby aglaonema. And so that was a fun self-care day. So for this one, I'm going back to the insert, and in here I am making this illustration of the pond with the little animal critters is my favorite from the whole collection. So I'm using it in every form I can. So I put one of the stickers that has a quote on it to make it a little bit more interesting, because it was just an illustration. And then I'm spacing out the title pieces of the days of the week, so Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, and you can use it as a planner page with the simple dory, but for me, I think whenever I do use this page, it's going to be a gratitude list. So small gratitude for each day of the week, and I think it'll be nice to use and have in this journal, as a keepsake. And then I'm adding a few other stickers to embellish the page, and that will finish up this page as well. Okay, I have finished all three projects with you. So here is the page with the pocket cards. So I did all my journaling with a green gel pen, and that little wood veneer is there, and just a little bit on everything. So cute. I love the colors. I think I was already saying that in my voiceover. Like, the illustrations are just so amazing. Then I was able to complete two greeting cards. So this one, and I added some gold paint splatter on there, and so we have a little chipboard, the other wood veneer piece, and so that one was there. And then this one's oh so cute, so we got a whole frog theme, and again I did some like gold paint splatter, two chipboard elements, and that wood veneer. So we have the two cards that I'll keep in my stash in my room in order to give to someone as a quick thank you note. And then this page I made with the intention of using it like as a gratitude page, but by all means, if for my planner girlies, you can use it to have your list of things to do each day. And we added some of those stickers over here to jazz up the illustration a little bit more, a few more stickers. But the little frog is so cute on all of them. So I will definitely like date it the week I use it and have another kind of, like I said, a week of gratitude in my journal when I use this one up again in the month of, this is supposed to be for, is it February? No, this is March. And then with my little insert here, I'm going to use it as a week of gratitude, which I think I did mention, but my planner girlies can have it for a to-do list. A little bit more embellishment with some stickers, and adoring this one with a little bit more as well. I think it came out nice, simple, and sweet. And I just love the little frog in each of the stickers, which is why I chose those. So when I use this insert in the month of March to tell other stories, it'll be great to have a whole list of gratitude to look back on. So project 1, 2, and 3 are complete using the Willows collection from Cocoa Daisy. I will leave it linked down below as always. Give this video a thumbs up. It always helps my channel grow. And until next time, everyone, bye.